starting my everyday makeup routine. This has been really requested since I uploaded my morning routine, so I am finally doing it. If you're new to my channel and have never seen my face before, then hi, my name is Fem and I upload videos here every week. And I'd love you to stick around, so make sure to hit the subscribe button and yeah. Also give this video a thumbs up, and without further ado, let's get started. First of all, I'm gonna use my Mario Badescu skincare facial spray. And then I'm taking the Professional primer by Benefit, which is honestly my favorite primer of all time. My nose is actually really flaky right now because I actually sunburned my face, so I can't really put it on there. I normally do put it over here as well. So for foundation, I'm actually gonna mix my two favorites. I have the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation, and then I have the Urban Decay All Nighter one. So I actually use way more from the Makeup Forever foundation just because I feel like it's a little bit better for my skin type. But the other one, it just gives me a little bit more coverage, which I love about that. Oh god, I'm running out of this. Like that. Yeah, now I look really crazy. But I forgot to put my hair back, so I'm gonna do that right now. So I just use my wet black beauty blender to blend my foundation. So let's go. I'm gonna put some music on because so now my foundation is blended and I can use concealer. I'm gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, which is honestly my favorite concealer in the entire world. I used to hate concealer until I got this. I just can't live without this right now. I'm just gonna apply it underneath my eyes, and I'm just gonna be applying it on my nose as well and under this eye. I think I'm running out of my Shape Tape Concealer and it sucks. And I'm also gonna apply it on my forehead a little bit. So yeah, that is my makeup routine. I hope you guys like it. I'm kidding. I'm so funny, I know. But we need to blend this as well. So now my concealer is blended as well. I have the weirdest freaking makeup routine, like it doesn't really make sense. I just do it this way. So now that my concealer and foundation is done, I'm gonna start with my brows, and then I'm gonna continue with eyeshadow. For eyebrows, I can take this annoying things off my head. So for eyebrows, I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in Taupe. I used to use soft brown, but it was just a little bit too dark for me, and I used the 14 brush, also from Anastasia Beverly Hills, which is my favorite brush. First, I'm just gonna brush my eyebrow hairs upwards, and then I normally start down here and just make a line. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. So now the outer part is done. I'm not gonna take any more product. I'm just gonna use what's left, and then I'm just gonna kind of like fill in the front part of my brow, and then I'm just gonna like kind of like brush to blend everything. And yeah, that is how I do my brow. I'm just gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills clear brow gel. All I'm trying to do is say I love you. Those are my 100% finished brows. When I go out, I do conceal my brows and stuff, but honestly for a day-to-day look, I don't conceal my brows just because, I don't know, I just really don't want to do it every single day. It's just annoying, and there's people walking in my street and they can see me because I have 7 huge ass windows, and that is honestly the most awkward thing that is happening in my life right now. So my everyday eyeshadow palettes are the Kai Shadow Bronze Palette, which is just so pretty, and also the Too Faced Sweet Peach eyeshadow palette. These two, like, they're my favorite freaking palettes for an everyday use, but I normally go with this one though. So the first shade I'm gonna take is Georgia, which is a really nude pink. And then I'm gonna take the same brush. I'm gonna take the shade Summer Yum, which is a reddish brown. It's really pretty. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I get rambling on. So I'm gonna take the shade Bellini, which is this rose gold shimmer. It's the prettiest thing. I'm just gonna apply that all over my face. Start blending this. So now I'm gonna take the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow brush that came with the Modern Renaissance palette, and I am gonna take the shade White Peach, which is this one, and then I'm just gonna put that underneath my brows. So then to highlight my inner corner of my eye, I'm gonna use the highlighter, the Cotton Candy Cream, which is super pretty. So my favorite eyeliner is the Tattoo Liner by Kat Von D, but there's a little bit left. No, I'm run out of it, but I really love the applicator, so I'm just gonna take some mascara, because I've seen that life hack. So I'm just gonna take the little applicator from the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner and a little mascara, and I'm just gonna make a small wing. Once you start wearing eyeliner, you really can't stop wearing eyeliner. I feel like it's a problem. So my eyelash curler is from Forever 21, which is honestly my favorite. Why is my eye red? What have I done? So then I'm gonna take my Roller Lash Mascara by Benefit, which is one of my favorite mascaras ever. So that's my finished eye makeup. I have eyeshadow, I have eyeliner, mascara, but everything is like a little amount. Not too crazy. So to contour, I use my Fenty Beauty contour stick in the shade Mocha, which is the perfect shade for me to contour. I don't think I'm ever gonna run out of this because it just has so much product. And then with my beauty blender, I'm obviously gonna blend it out because we can't have a stripe in our face. So now to set my contour, I'm gonna take the Shade and Light palette. I'm gonna use this shade to set my contour. So now to set the concealer and foundation on my forehead and on my nose, I'm gonna use the shade in the middle. So for blush, I'm gonna be taking the Too Faced Sweet Peach Glow Kit, and I'm gonna be taking the blush, obviously, which is this one. I'm gonna use the highlighter by Kylie Cosmetics, and this is the shade Cotton Candy Cream, the same as I used on my brow. This is the Morphe R36 brush, which is perfect for highlighter because it's like super small, so you can really detail your highlighter. Oh, this came straight from the God's mouth. It's just true, it's confirmed. This is my EOS, it's gross, it's honestly disgusting. I'm running out of it. I need it. I need it to make my lips soft, because if we don't make them soft, we can't use lip products. I don't really use the matte liquid lipstick by Kylie, Coco K, but my lips are super chapped right now because the weather has been hot and cold and it's just confusing my entire face. So today I'm gonna use a more creamy one. I'm gonna use the Coco K lip liner though. So this is the Solid Kiss lipstick by Kat Von D, and this is in the shade Lovecraft, and it is really similar to Coco K. It's a little bit darker, but it's really pretty. They are a lot darker than normally, but this is kind of similar to the shade that I use every day. So yeah, this is my finished makeup look for today. My lips are a little bit darker, like I said before, but it looks something like this. I really hope you guys like this. If you have any questions about products or whatever, I do know that all the products I use are kind of like high-end. I bought all these products like over the last 2 years. I didn't buy them all at once, like that would be crazy. So if you have any questions about any dupes of products, I will try to find some of them that are like a little bit cheaper. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you aren't subscribed yet, and I guess that's all. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next week. Bye!